How to buy WOLFBOX dash cams in India and save money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're taking a look at WOLFBOX, and I'm going to be showing you how you can buy their dash cams and save money. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website, and what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the description. You'll find the link to the website along with some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply onto their products and save money, right? And here you can see I'm on the website, and here we have a bunch of different options. Here we have the dash cam options over here at the top. We can select from there, or we can just simply click on it. It should open up, but I don't think it is. So we're going to have to select one from here. So let's go with the first one and see how that one looks like. So this one actually looks pretty cool. This is the WOLFBOX G900 Pro. It's a 12 megapixel camera with touchscreen, Wi-Fi, rear view, and mirror dash camera as well. So this is a whole set. It's pretty cool. You can sync with it and take pictures, record. It's 24 hours loop recording as well. You can see it has like that radar effect or guidelines that can help you park. And yeah, it also has some speedometer as well, which is pretty cool. And it's quite big. So we should be good to go. So if you want this one, you can go with this one. They also have the hardwire kit as well. Then all you got to do is just simply select the version you want, click on add to cart, click on view cart, and here just simply click on checkout. They also have PayPal option, so you can go ahead and buy that directly. And then just simply add the discount code that you can find in the description below and save money over here. Pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care and goodbye.